Today we're cooking Mie Goreng, Chomp style. Ingredients and method are in the description. Sizzle rating, 3. Wok hot, oil in. Now Bumbu paste. Fry fast till fragrant, not burnt. Protein goes in, toss to coat in Bumbu. 1 egg, crack it in and scramble fast. Cabbage and carrot in. Toss 30 seconds. Keep it crisp, keep it moving. Noodles in. Kecap manis and soy. Toss till glossy. Sizzle rating, 3. Taste check. More sweet, tiny kecap. More savory, tiny soy. Final toss, done. Heat off. That's Mie Goreng. Glossy, fast, and legit. See you for the next dish. Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.